Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high five that subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and newest activities. So today's fun do-it-yourself PE game is called Angry Turk-ees. So make sure you guys stay tuned and don't, I repeat, do not go anywhere. Alright, so for this fun do-it-yourself PE game, the only items you'll need are going to be 2 sock balls, 1 long sock, or it could be a bandana, and a basket, a bucket, or box, whatever you guys have available at home. Alright, so here's the setup for Angry Turk-ees. Now, I have a basket right over here. It's 6 feet away from my blue tape right here. I have my long sock as well as my 2 sock balls. Now, what I'm going to have to do is 1 burpee. Yes, you heard that right. 1 burpee. And after I do my 1 burpee, I'm going to get 2 tries to go ahead and launch my turkeys in the air and make it inside of the basket. Okay? So 1, 2, and I'm going to try to make it in, just like I did. But before I can do that, as I mentioned, I'm going to do 1 burpee. So if you guys have not done a burpee before, I'm going to step it out. So I'm going to put my hands out like I'm doing a push-up. I'm going to put my feet out, bring my feet in, and then I'm going to jump up. Okay, I'll go and do it here. Again, feet out, feet in, and jump. 3, 2, 1, and go. That's 1. All right, 1 point. 2 points. 3 points. 4 points. Ah, just missed. Oh, 5 points. Just missed. All right, time. I believe my final score was 5 points, so let's try to beat my score. All right, here we go, starting 3, 2, 1, go. All right, 1 burpee, 2 shots. Oh, just missed it. Oh! Yeah, 1 burpee, 2 shots. Oh, off the rim. Oh, 1 point. Oh. Good job. Let's see. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that game of Angry Turkey. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know in the comment section what you guys thought about the activity and how you would modify it. Also, please don't forget to use our hashtag, the P.E Spot, because I like to see your modifications in the game as well. So again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And as always, at the P.E Spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care.